A father is 24 years older than his daughter. A. If the daughter is W years old, how old is the father? B. If the ratio of their ages is 5:2, find the age of the daughter. Solution. Now, in the first part of the question, we have if the daughter is W years old, how old is the father? So the father will be what? Father's age. Father's age equals to what? From the first statement, a father is 24 years old, older than his daughter. That is, the age of the father is greater than the daughter by 24 years. Greater than, that means you are going to add 24 to the age of the daughter to get the age of the father. So we have X, that is 24 plus W, which is the age of the daughter. So the age of the father will now be what? 24 plus W. That's the age of the father. Yes. So that's the solution to the first part of the question. Now, for the second part of the question, if the ratio of their ages is 5:2, the ratio of their ages, if it is 5:2, we can see here, the one that carry 5 will be for the what? For the father. Why the one that carry 2 will be for the daughter? Because the age of the father is more than the age of the daughter. So in that case, we now start with this. Father's age. Father's age divided by daughter's age. Daughter's age. Daughter's age equals to what? 5:2. 5:2, you can write it as 5/2. You can write it as 5/2. So this is 5 divided by 2. This is for father. Why this 2 is for the daughter. So what is the age of the father? That's 24 plus W. What is the age of the daughter? That is W years. Equals to what? 5 divided by 2. Now from here we have a simple equation. So what do we need to do at this stage? We can cross multiply. We cross multiply, what do we have? 2 into bracket 24 plus W equals to 5 into W. Now the next thing for us to do is to expand the bracket. Expanding the bracket, what do we have? 2 times 24. That's 48. Now that same 2 times W, what do we have? 24, that's 2W rather. Equals to what? 5 times W, that is 5W. So the next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. 5W and 2W, they are like terms. So what do? We now have 48. We move this 2W to the right. It becomes what? Minus 2W. So 5W minus what? 2W. So we now have 48 equals to 3W. So in this case, the next thing for us to do is to divide both sides by 3. Dividing both sides by 3, what do we have? 3W divided by 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 1. 48 divided by 3 will give us 16. So W equals to 16. And what are we asked to find? Find the age of the daughter. And the age of the daughter represents W. So in this case, hence, we can now conclude, hence, the age of the daughter equals to what? W years. And what is W? That's 16. That is 16 years. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.